Welcome Feng Shui enthusiasts. Ever wondered how the layout of your front and back doors could affect the energy flow or qi in your home? Today we're diving into essential Feng Shui tips to ensure your home's qi is balanced and vibrant. Stick around for some surprising insights. Let's get started by asking a question. Can you imagine stepping into your home and feeling an instant sense of peace and prosperity? Sounds dreamy, right? But with these Feng Shui tips, it's entirely possible. So let's transform your space and open your doors to welcome prosperity, peace, and good fortune. Tip 1. Clear pathways. First up, ensure that the pathways leading to your front and back doors are clear and welcoming. A clutter-free entrance invites positive qi to flow freely into your home. Tip 2. Strong front door. Your front door represents the mouth of qi. Make sure it's sturdy, opens easily, and looks inviting. A strong front door attracts beneficial energy. Tip 3. Avoid direct alignment. Avoid having your front door directly aligned with your back door. This could cause qi to rush through your home, missing the opportunity to nourish it. Use furniture or decorative screens to disrupt this straight path. Tip 4. Add a rug to the entryway area. Place a beautiful rug just inside your front door. This helps to anchor the energy and slow down the flow of qi, allowing it to circulate throughout your home. Tip 5. Use mirrors wisely. Mirrors can be tricky in Feng Shui. Avoid placing a mirror directly opposite the front door, as it can bounce energy right back out. Instead, position mirrors to reflect pleasant views and enhance the light. Tip 6. Avoid poison arrows. Sharp corners and edges pointing towards your doors are known as poison arrows, which can create negative energy. Soften these angles with plants or round furniture to promote a smooth flow of qi. Tip 7. Use color strategically. Colors play a vital role in Feng Shui. Choose front door colors that align with your intentions. Red for prosperity, green for growth, or black for career success. Tip 8. Add wind chimes. Wind chimes are a wonderful addition to your entrance. They help attract positive energy and disperse negative qi. Depending on the element you want to enhance, choose wind chimes made of metal or wood. Tip 9. Use protective objects. Place protective objects near your front door, such as a Bagua mirror or statues of guardian figures. These can help deflect negative energy. They serve as protectors and guardians, keeping harmful influences at bay. Tip 10. Wealth symbols and objects. Consider placing symbols of prosperity near your front door to attract wealth. A wealth vase, a Feng Shui frog, gold coins, or a laughing Buddha statue can invite financial success into your home. Additionally, you can place a money plant or a bowl of oranges, which symbolize good fortune. And there you have it, folks. 10 simple but powerful Feng Shui tips. These will all optimize the energy flow in your home through your front and back doors. Try these tips and feel the difference in your space's atmosphere. Join us again for more videos on Feng Shui topics. Until then, may your home be filled with prosperity and positive energy. Please like, share and subscribe, and don't forget to click the bell icon for notifications.